Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today it's me Rima and I'm gonna be showing you all how to make this very simple, no bake, no gelatin cheesecake. It's one of my favorite recipes that I like to make more for my family because it's very tasty, it's very sweet, and it only requires a freezer and about 1 hour of preparation. So might as well give it a good try. Please make sure to give this video a like for good luck, and I'm gonna show you all the ingredients you need. First thing you're gonna need is cream cheese. Use any sort of cream cheese you can find. I live in the UAE, so the main cheese I'm using is curry cheese. It's cream cheese right here. The second thing is condensed milk, and it's gonna help with the freezing, and it's also gonna help with the sweetness and the flavor, so you're gonna need it as well. You're gonna also need some vanilla essence or vanilla powder, as I like to use right here, and then some cocoa powder. This is the baking cocoa I used in one of my previous videos where I showed you all how to make a brownie cake. Then you're also going to need a biscuit. I'm using these McVitie's cookies. It has a little bit of cashews in it, but I'm just going to grind the cookies up so that I can use it for the crust of the cheesecakes. And the last ingredients are some butter and sugar. Sugar's for the sweetness, and then the butter is to add with the crushed biscuits to make the crust of the cheesecake. So first things first is to crush the biscuits and put them into a bowl and mix. So I have the biscuits here in a little bowl. This is a lot of biscuits, but I'm gonna add in some melted butter, and I know you'll see a lot of big chunks, but I like them because they actually do help quite a lot with the taste and the consistency. So okay, now we're going to mix it up until it creates a little sand-like texture. Now we're gonna add the crust into this disposable bowl, and we're using this so that we don't have more dishes to wash. Now we have to put this in the freezer and chill it while we're making our cream cheese filling. There it is. Freeze safe, my child. Now we're gonna add in the cream cheese and put them in so that we can mash them up until they create a smooth mixture, and then we're gonna add in the condensed milk. There it goes. It is going to be sort of hard to just mix this by itself, so just kind of crush it until it's a little small pieces, because we're gonna add the condensed milk in, which is gonna make it easier to mix. Now we're gonna add in the condensed milk. Add in just enough, just that much is enough. Then we're going to mix. Just mix it in until it creates a smooth mixture. Now we're gonna add in some cocoa powder. This is the cocoa powder I'm using, the one I used in the previous baking video, Essential Everyday Baking Cocoa. So just dump it in, only a little bit, just for the flavor purposes, not too much. Just that much is enough, and we're gonna mix. Let's take the crust out, and we're gonna add the cheesecake filling next. Now we're gonna add in the cheesecake mixture. Just pour it on top evenly. And we're finally just going to add a little bit of cocoa powder on the top just for the decoration. See you after 1 hour. And this is the end result after it's all frozen. Here it is, the crust and the top. It's gonna melt a little bit, but it's gonna taste very good and it's gonna stay firm for over an hour, so you can enjoy it. It's gonna be very soft and sweet and very delightful. Hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on another video. Bye!